I'm pretty excited to be with all of you today. I got some boxes like Kies Motorsports sent over to me for this G82 right behind me, and the initiation of Project G82 officially starts today. Well, at the time that you're seeing this video. Anyways, I'm excited, guys, because I got some boxes. They're sitting right there. You can't see it, but I'm pretty excited for it. I keep saying I'm pretty excited. So what I want to start off with is a little preface. Kies Motorsports has been really good to me on all of my builds. I am attaching a few things in my description. If you're interested in things like the M20 motor, like a 320i, 328, or the B58 series, right? 440i's. Gosh, guys, the 340s, I have videos of things that go towards those two cars. I've built out both series pretty well. One unfortunately did blow up. They broke my M20. But anyways, let's not talk about that. What I want to talk about today is the initiation of Project G82, which I'm pretty excited for. So without further ado, let's open up the first box from Kies Motorsports.